Welcome to our YouTube video on how to delete multiple messages quickly in Gmail. In this full guide, we'll show you the steps to efficiently remove multiple unwanted messages from your Gmail app. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the photo or letter next to a message to select it. Step 3. Tap the box next to Select All at the top left to select all messages. Here's a tip. To select more messages, simply scroll down and tap the box next to Select All again. Finally, tap Delete to remove all the selected messages from your inbox. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete multiple messages quickly in Gmail, saving you time and keeping your inbox organized. Say goodbye to cluttered emails with our helpful guide. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.